Okay, well into the poetry, right? Can't believe half the class is almost over, right? And we have 2 more weeks. So, again, I wanted you to delve into some music, lyrics, and say that what is poetry? Well, poetry is music too, right? I know we have a few of you in here who study music, so you know that lyrics can be and often are not considered poetry, but I think that's wrong. So these are just the sample. The Dogfight by Bukowski is more of a story poem, right? And these are story songs. And so I want you to read these in comparison to any other so-called historical classical poetry, right? Because it's poetry. And those Winter Sundays, to me, is one of the most simplistic sensorial poems on a looking backward in your history of the relationships you grew up with your parents, right? I'm gonna give it away. So this is what we're doing this week. Come in Tuesday at 11 if you want to do any kind of discussion on the poems or any questions about past assignments, things like that. And then the poetry quiz will open Wednesday along with the discussion. And the poetry quiz is much like the short fiction quiz. It's on the material that we're reading, questions, right? I did notice that a lot of you had the same, almost exact answers in the quiz, which, usually means you've gotten information and somewhere else. I'm not saying all of you did that, but be careful. If you did, even paraphrasing is considered plagiarism unless you tell us where you got it, right? So look over the poetry documents again and have the window open when you're taking the poetry quiz in case you want to go back to it. Don't mistakenly close out the quiz because you have one attempt and it's 2 hours. So I hope you are getting the emotion, the imagery, and the sort of poetic language out of these songs. And like a Rolling Stone, back to Bob Dylan again, could be applied to Connie too, right? So here we go. Let me know what you need and plow on.